Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors. Today we're finishing up a two-car garage. We're in the Villages of Wesley Chapel. So this garage had a baseboard, has a baseboard. We didn't do a baseboard here because the customer is going to put new wood baseboard there. So this is a full check baseboards and polyaspartic top coat. So we filled the expansion joints and we fixed quite a few cracks, etc. Even things out. This color is California gray. Fixed the lead edge and did a round over. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.